Welcome to Boudreau and Thibodeau's Cajun Cookin, a gem in the heart of Houma, Louisiana. Opened in 1998, this casual Cajun seafood restaurant offers authentic Cajun cooking in a relaxing atmosphere. The menu is a celebration of local flavors featuring fresh seafood, traditional Cajun dishes, and much more. Their team is committed to providing extraordinary value in a high-energy, fun, child-friendly environment. Don't just take our word for it. They are rated 4.5 stars on TripAdvisor, and the guests can't stop raving about them. One of our guests said, "The atmosphere is whimsical and relaxing. The service is very attentive. The prices are reasonable." So come on down to Boudreau and Thibodeau's Cajun Cookin. We're open from 10:30 a.m. till late. Experience the heart of Cajun country. Experience Boudreau and Thibodeau's Cajun Cookin. Find them at 5D 602 W Main St. Houma, LA 7360. Call us at 985-872-4711. We can't wait to serve you.